In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a manual journal in Zoho Books. Whether you're an accountant or a business owner handling your own accounting, knowing how to post manual journals is essential for accurate financial reporting and correcting errors in your books. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. Here, you'll notice a variety of options on the sidebar, each offering different functionalities. For our purposes, you'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Accountant. This will lead you to a more specialized section of Zoho Books designed specifically for detailed accounting tasks. After navigating to the Accountant section, find the option labeled Manual Journals and click on it. This will open up the Manual Journal section where you can view, edit, and create journal entries. Right at the top, or in a highlighted area, should be a New button. Click on this to start creating a new manual journal entry. Now you'll be prompted to fill out details for this journal entry. Start by selecting the date for your entry. It's crucial to ensure this date corresponds accurately with the transaction you're recording. Next, you'll see a field for the reference number. Enter a unique reference number that relates to this specific transaction. This helps in tracking and future references. To add clarity and detail to your transaction, there's an option to place notes. Use this section to describe the purpose or specifics of your journal entry, which can be very helpful when reviewing entries later on. Following this, select the appropriate reporting method from the provided options, which aligns with your accounting practices. Next, you'll need to select the currency for your transaction from a drop-down menu. Make sure you choose the correct currency to avoid discrepancies in your financial reporting. Afterwards, move to the section labeled Select an Account. This is where you assign the journal entry to a specific account. Be precise here. Allocate your debits and credits to the correct ledger accounts. If a contact is involved, select that contact to ensure the transaction is properly attributed. Now, type in the debit amount followed by the credit amount, making sure they balance out. If you need to add more transactions to this journal entry, simply click on Add New Row to expand the entry section. This allows you to itemize multiple transactions under a single journal entry. For additional documentation, you can attach files by selecting the drop-down for attachments. This can be useful for adding receipts or related documents for reference. Once you've ensured all your information is correct, you have two options to complete the process. If you're ready to publish, click on Save and Publish. However, if you need to come back and review or confirm certain details later, you can click Save as Draft. This will save your work without finalizing it. By following these steps, you'll successfully post a manual journal in Zoho Books. Remember to regularly check your entries for accuracy to maintain reliable financial records. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on mastering Zoho Books features.